Welcome back, Crammers, to question 12. Larry is a delivery man. He has 7 parcels to deliver, and the mean weight of the 7 parcels is 2.7 kilograms. Larry delivers 3 of the parcels, each of them being WKG each. The mean weight of the 4 parcels is 3.3 kilograms. Work out the value of W. So we know that the total is 7 times 2.7. Since mean is just, we can find total by multiplying the mean by quantity. So total is equal to 2.7 times 7, which is equal to 18.9. And we can find out that 3W plus the mean weight of the other 4 parcels is 3.3. So we can just find the total again. Total is equal to 4 times 3.3, which is just equal to 13.2 plus 13.2 is equal to 18.9. We can rearrange this by 3W is equal to 18.9 minus 13.2. 3W is equal to 5.7 kg, and we can simply divide by 3. W is equal to 5.7 divided by 3. 1.9 kilograms. 1.9 kg. 1.9 kg. That's our final answer. Thanks for watching. Cram then scram.